everyone, and welcome to the Nova Armada channel and to my loyal subscribers and my future subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Air Macau Airbus A321-131 in Air Macau's 1990s era white fuselage livery with a stylized dove on the tail. This aircraft was powered by two International Aero Engines V2500 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 29,900 pounds force or 133 kilonewtons of full power. This aircraft can carry anywhere from 185 to 220 passengers depending on layout and class mixture. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 450 knots or 833 kilometers an hour with a range of around 3,200 nautical miles or 6,000 kilometers with a standard load on board. This A321 was initially delivered to Air Macau on April 25th of 1997 with a 1990s era white fuselage with a stylized dove on the tail and with its first paint registration of Charlie Sierra-Mike Alpha Golf. 2 years later, in 1999, the aircraft would be re-registered with the registration of Bravo-Mike Alpha Golf. The aircraft was named Illha De Colane for the Island of Colane located in Macau. The aircraft continued flying with Air Macau out of the Chinese Special Administrative Region of Macau, serving the Western Pacific Basin for almost 19 years in total from its initial purchase from Airbus. There was a period of time in the early 2000s when this aircraft wore the logo on its aft fuselage for the 2005 East Asian Games that would take place in Macau. The aircraft had served its useful passenger life, and with no company available to convert it for cargo flights, the aircraft was retired to the Goodyear Phoenix Airport in the American Southwest Desert in early 2016, with the final scrapping taking place in the latter portion of that same year. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Dragonwings version of this aircraft released in 1998. It should be noted that this is aircraft number 2 of a 2-aircraft set, along with an Air Macau A320, which will be the subject of our next video. Our sources have this as the only production run of this particular aircraft. For companies that buy, sell, and resell these diecast models to and from the general public, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all North American retailers of diecast airline models, -1. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.